Warehousing Association of India calls on state governments to support cold chain industry investments.
As of now, I think we have just about 10,000 recognized, authorized cold storage warehouses in India. But the need to have warehouses is much greater. There is an opportunity for the government to play a role in helping with, let's say, the power tariff, allotment of land for particularly cold storage, making energy available 24/7. We would look forward to, let's say, state governments to come forward and give some kind of relief or subsidy for such cold storages, because we have to incentivize the investment to come into this industry.
Satish Lakkaraju emphasized the difficulties associated with ground handling.
A cargo means speed, and speed comes from the ground level operations that happen. So today our biggest challenge is accessibility to airports from various parts of the country. Take example as a Delhi airport. You to get cargo into it by any means is itself a big challenge, because your accessibility to the airport is restricted by entry times and exit times. So whether it is for exports, you have to bring in the cargo, there's a restriction on the timing, and imports after custom clearance. I think what is happening with the new greenfield airports is a welcome move, where they are located in strategic locations where this will not be so much of a challenge, and we are definitely anticipating that other governments will find ways to give access to the airports on a 24/7 basis.
FFFAI commends government for enhancing drone ecosystem.
The drone will play a very vital role, and I think government is really doing, and we have just heard that the PLI scheme, government wanted to really ensure that the drone will have close to 3,000 crore PLI scheme which they are working. So I think with this, many of our problems can be resolved by the drones. I am quite hopeful on that. And the government is also helping on the regulation, as we saw that the India is coming with a really a good policy map on the drones, which will help this implementation.
The International Air Cargo Association has signed a Memorandum of Understanding with King Salman International Airport to work together on enhancing the profile of cargo and logistics both regionally and globally.